Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing of the Boxycharm. So I'm gonna be completely honest, I filmed this yesterday, but I accidentally deleted the footage because I was reading the footage and then on my laptop it said that I had full like memory or whatever, so I needed to clear things out, and so when I did it I accidentally cleared like everything, so that footage is long gone. But I'm going to redo the video obviously and you know, just go over what I got. Anyway, so right off the bat, I had trouble with this box to begin with. It said it was delivered Friday, it wasn't delivered, and I had to wait till Monday to get it, so I was planning on posting this Sunday. So here we are on Tuesday, and I'm going to have it up by today. So this is what my box looks like. I just paid for the $25 base box. Alrighty, so when I open it up, this is what it looks like. My box wasn't heavy, so I already knew right off the bat that I didn't get the Glam Glow mask, which I really kind of wanted. So I got the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. Just looks like this. Her packaging is really pretty. It's gold with like the pinks and whites effects. And then the shade that I got is Strawberry Lemonade. I've never tried any of her makeup, so this is like my first product owned by her, and it just says Lemonade right there in gold and then her initials. But I really like the packaging. It feels very like luxurious. I know this one, I looked at the price point, this one was $17, but I'll also put the price point like somewhere in the screen. But yeah, so this one, Strawberry Lemonade, and it smells like vanilla. And it just smells so good. It reminds me of the lip smackers back in the day when we were little. The next thing is this Hourglass Vanishing Flash Highlighting Stick. This one, the only thing from Hourglass that I've ever owned was the primer from them, and then I never repurchased it, but I did like it. It was the Veil one, but I did, like I said, I did like that one. So this one's the Hourglass in Champagne Flash packaging, so it's already gets so dirty. And then it's a champagne color. Go ahead and swatch it. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So there's that. The next thing is Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This is from the Wonder Beauty. Again, I'll leave price points. The next thing is this Blink Black Lash Primer, Jet Black Volume. And usually lash primers come in the white, so I think this is pretty cool that it comes in black. And then this baby right here. I got the Beauty Creations Cali Chic. This one, I don't know if you can see it. It's busted, so I already knew it because as I opened the box, there's like shadow everywhere in here. But I'll show you what it is or how it came. So yeah, so like you can see it on the packaging, and on top of that, 3 of these shades busted in here, and it's the middle shades, which happen to be the shimmer shades. So it just looks like that. This palette is really pretty. I was kind of bummed that it did that, but honestly I'll probably just dump out or try to save what I can. And the mattes stayed, you know, together, but the only thing is the shimmer. But I mean, I'm not complaining. It is what it is, you know, things happen in the mail. But I thought it was kind of weird that my packaging, that my eyeshadow didn't come wrapped. The other ones that I got came in a bubble wrap, so I don't know, maybe they just threw it in. But let's go ahead and jump into the trying on portion. So since I didn't get a primer with this one, I'm just going to be using the one from my other box. It's the Professional. Just take a little bit of it. Really focusing it on the spots that I get the most oily during the day. So like on my cheeks, my nose, forehead, and chin. The next thing I'm going to be going in is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Just looks like this. It has a twist top, and then I love this part of it. See if I can do it, yeah. So that's that. I'll show you what it looks like on the back of the hand. So this is really pretty. So it has a perfumey scent, like I said, but it's not like tacky. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not tacky. It's very liquidy. It has a perfume scent, but as it goes onto the skin, you can't smell it. So if you're, you know, have a sensitive nose to that, you don't smell it kind of going over. It feels really nice on the skin. It's not tacky. It's going right in. I like it. Like I said, the scent's going away, so it doesn't really last that long on the face, but it does have like a really strong perfume scent the first time. So since it's an oil, it goes into the skin pretty fast. It doesn't leave my skin tacky feeling, so I like that. The next thing is I'm going to go in with my foundation. So I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte Poreless. This is in the shade 228. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. I like how it left my skin feeling. It's not shiny at all, so the sparkles that are in it, you don't see it on your face. I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Sand. Bronze up my face before I start using everything else. This palette, the eyeshadow palette, unfortunately, of course, it came broken. But with that, you can create an everyday type of look, or like a, you know, like a sunset look. So I'm just bronzing up my face as if I did have it. But the mattes and all that look really pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with the Hourglass. Oh, I hate how like it leaves your fingerprints on there, but whatever. So I'm going to go with the Hourglass in the Champagne Flash. I'm not going directly into it just because I already have powder on, and I don't really want an intense highlighter. So I'm just going to be taking a MAC 168S brush and just kind of going back and forth with it. But it leaves a nice glow. I'm gonna take a little bit down the nose. Oh, I haven't done that in forever. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, so when I put it on my nose, it kind of like bunched up all the product on there, and it kind of looks a little weird. So I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender. Okay, yeah, that fixed it. It doesn't look so harsh anymore. Next thing I'm going to go into is going to be the Black Lash Primer. So the thing with this is that I don't wear mascara on the top, but for this video, just to see how the product wears, I'm going to do that. Normally I would just put lashes and then I would put it at the bottom, but we're going to see both ways, top and bottom, but I'm not going to wear lashes for this video. I'm really liking how my skin looks with that oil from Beauty Creations. I think that's what it was. No, Wonder Beauty. I'm really liking how it looks. So this is what the wand looks like. It's kind of like a curve. So I'm just gonna go in. I like how it's not too wet, and I like how it's keeping my lashes very separated as it goes on, because sometimes with my lashes being so small, mascaras or primers will bunch them up together. But this one is doing a pretty good job, except for right there, but that was my fault. So this is what it looks like. I have nothing at all. The mascara I'm going into is going to be the Lash Stiletto, and this is by Maybelline. It's in the waterproof, because waterproof holds my curls up, but I never really wear it alone. So let's see. And pairing this one with it, it's not making it as clumpy as I thought it would be, because it's like putting so much on the lashes. But this one's helping separate even more, especially that little spot that I kind of had clumped together. This definitely gave me some length, but like I said, since my lashes are short and kind of not there, when I put anything on my lashes, they kind of go down. So that's why I like to wear waterproof, because it usually holds it up. But this, I don't know, I think the primer is a little too heavy. But let's go ahead and do the bottom. I really like at the bottom. Let me see. focusing? Can you tell? So this is with the primer on the bottom and this is without primer. I like how it is a U shape because it is, you know, able to hug the bottom of my lashes. So I like that. And then again, I'm going in with the same mascara. I like to use these types of mascaras, especially on the bottom. So this is with the mascara and primer, and this is with the primer by itself on the bottom lash line. Okay. Now for the lips. So there's nothing on my lips. I'm gonna go right into it. This lip gloss is not sticky at all. It leaves a little tint behind, so if you want to do that no makeup look, that's what it leaves, like kind of a pinky tint. I like it. I'm gonna leave it like that. I think it's cute. I love the smell, I love the texture of it, and I love how it's not sticky at all. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10. This one I'll give a 9 out of 10 because, you know, this you would have to wear a few more times to see how you like it, but right off the back, a 9 out of 10. This one, I will give it, honestly, a 10 out of 10, especially for my bottom lashes. It just helps them make it look a little bit more fuller and longer, so I like that. This, a 10 out of 10. I love the little glow that it left me while using a brush. Obviously I wouldn't go straight in at all, but I like how it left a pretty glow. So that's a 10 out of 10. So of course I can't rate the eyeshadow because it's broken. I did reach out to customer service yesterday and they responded really quickly. They're going to send me something else. It's not the Beauty Creations because they sold out is what they said. But they are sending me another palette. Once I get that in, I'll include that in the next Boxycharm just so it can be all together and I can just try it out. I'm pretty pleased with what I got. I know I was watching a lot of videos and a lot of people were not happy with their Mayboxes, but I personally like my Maybox. I did want the mask by Glam Glow, but I didn't get that. But everything else I'm pretty satisfied. And of course guys, I'll catch you in the next video.